So in today's how-to video, we'll be demonstrating how to activate your Windows 10 install for free in 2018. So let's get started. So we're not going to use any kind of VM or screen capture. We're going to use actual hardware, and we'll be using the old Dell Optiplex 390 as our test bed. As you can see, we got Windows 10 Home installed, and we are not activated. There are other places you can check for activation. You can go to all settings here and it'll say it there. You can also go to update and security and click on activation. It'll also tell you right here that we don't have a digital license or a product key. We'll go ahead and get out of here. You can also look under personalize, and if you're not activated, it won't let you change nothing. So let's get activated. We'll first open up Microsoft Edge. Any web browser will do. This is just what's here. And we will type in Windows 7 Home Product Key. And yes, we will be trying a Windows 7 key. We'll go to Images, and we'll just find the first home key we have here that shows all the characters. Let's see here. Looks like a good one here. Windows Home Premium. And there's our key. So we're going to just bring this down a little bit so we can still see our key. And let's go ahead and bring up the system window. And we will click Activate Windows. We'll bring this down. Get rid of that. Bring this down so we can still see the key. And we'll go ahead and type the key in. Now, as I type this in, I can't stress enough about piracy. This is for demonstration purposes, just to show you that you can activate it with pretty much any random Windows 7 key, as long as it's the same version or the same like 32 or 64-bit. I believe that it does matter on that, so let's hope that this key works. And there we go. Let's go ahead and hit next and see what happens. And I wanted to use one off the net so that way you guys could easily see that it is the same key. It's just pretty much do a quick search and find one, and there we go. It says, by activating Windows, you get the best experience free from interruptions. So we're going to hit activate, and we're going to let it go ahead and activate our Windows 10 Home. This can take some time depending on the speed of your internet, so we'll just wait here so that way there's no cuts. And there we go. Windows is activated. We can close this. Open this up, and it tells us that we are activated with a digital license. We can go ahead and get out of these. We'll bring up personalize, and now it'll let us change our setup. We'll come down to here, go to all settings. It no longer says activate Windows here, and we'll also bring up our system window, and it tells us that we're activated. And that's how you do it. Activating Windows 10 for free in 2018. Knowledge is power.